Welcome back to Wrench and Rip, guys. It is an exciting episode today. We have another new project in the house. You might be able to see it over my left shoulder there. Boom! It's a 110 Chinese little mini ATV, baby. So, the story with this thing is honestly incredible. I was going around some yard sales around my neighborhood, stumbled across this thing. I was expecting them to be asking, a few $100. I wasn't really looking for, anything in particular, but figured I'd ask. You always gotta ask, right? I asked him how much he wants for it. $40. So, of course, in true Wrench and Rip fashion, I negotiated down to $30. So I got this ATV for $30. It seems very unused. I mean, look at how clean everything is. It's pretty much perfect, minus a few loose things like these hubs are all loose, and typical Chinese bike stuff, like every bolt on them needs to be checked. So we're gonna go through this thing, clean the carb. It doesn't run right now, but I actually got it to pop over with starting fluid, so really just needs a carb clean and a new battery and to be gone through, and it should be a ripper. So today we're just going to go through and tighten some stuff up, clean the carb, and hopefully in this video we will have this little beast running. Look at how cute that thing is. How cool is that? I'm so excited. That is not quite what you want on your hubs. Alright, rear end is all fixed up. I removed the chain guard here. I removed this this terrible protector from underneath. It hangs down so low it's almost touching the ground, and it's supposed to protect the brake disc, but there's still a bracket there that'll kind of protect it, and it's worth it for the extra ground clearance. This disc is really thick, so I don't think it'll really get bent up too bad. So I'm just gonna send it without, but everything's super tight. I got the chain all lubed up. I had to readjust that and stuff, but it's pretty much perfect. Everything's looking good. I haven't found anything major wrong yet, so it's a good sign. It spins free too. It's nice and smooth. The bearings back here are good, so nice, nice, nice. Well, another day with our new mini quad here. I'm gonna tighten up some stuff on the front end, and we're gonna head out for some parts. Try and get this thing running today. So, let's see if we can do it. This one ball joint on the steering was super loose, so this side was kind of flopping around all over the place. So I'm just tightening that up. It's already tight, so it's much better. We got the front end all tight. Everything is nice and smooth. No real play, except I can't really fix that play, but I replaced all the cotter pins, all that stuff, so everything is checked and good with the steering. So I'm gonna throw the wheels back on. We're gonna head to the store, get a battery, get some carb cleaner and that stuff. We'll dive into the carb and hopefully have this thing running in no time. So we'll see you guys once we're back from the store. Carb is out. First impressions, honestly looks okay inside. I mean, we have to pull the bowl and everything, but usually if they're totally shot, you can kind of tell. So that gives me some hope. We did have a big, sad loss of this gasket thing. We don't really need it. I don't even know why it's there. There's an O-ring here, so we'll just go metal to metal and the O-ring will seal. I don't see why we need this plastic spacer. I don't even know why it was there, so we're just gonna run without it. But let's clean this up and get this puppy running. The last screw, these weren't very tight. Makes me mildly suspicious, but we'll see. Oh, we are good. So there's just a little schmutz in there. It's easy to clean out. Real simple setup. You got your main jet, pilot jet, float. If any of you have worked on carbs, you know all this stuff. When you are cleaning the carb using carb cleaner, make sure you take off your gaskets, because if you leave them there, they like expand like to twice the size once the harsh carb cleaner hits them. So just make sure you just pull those off and like set them aside. So we're gonna clean this up. Should be quick, pretty uneventful, and we'll get her thrown back in. Just cleaning it up. Look at how sludgy that already is. Alright, we probably can't include too much more of that, or we're gonna get flagged for adult content. So here's our main jet with the emulsion tube. It's all one unit. That is totally clear, so that is not a concern. I'll spray all this out anyways, but this looks totally fine. The pilot. See how that looks? And that one is totally clogged, so there's our culprit like normal. It's almost always the pilot, so I'm gonna spray out these orifices in here. I'll clean this out. Usually what I do is I'll just save yourself the trouble and just grab some fishing line and just fish it through. But just, you know, the spray will get through it eventually, but it's just easier just to kind of punch it out and then you spray it just to make sure it's clean. But let's spray this out and spray out the carb and we'll reassemble. Should be good. Carb is all back in it. Everything looks good. I got fuel in it. The battery's been charging a while, so that should be good to go. We're gonna throw that in now, and we're about ready to fire this thing up. Hopefully, if anything goes well. All right, big moment. I don't know which way is the choke, so we'll just try it and see. Break.
Watch it not work.
Literally the first start. Is that choke or is that no choke? Looks like it's all choke. Alright, well, I guess it seems to run good. Doesn't have any issues. Alright, we're gonna get this thing turned around and we'll take it for a spin, see if it actually moves.
Oh. Damn it.
Take down the road.
Bye bye.
It runs good.
Yeah?
It runs way better than it should.
For $30?
Considering, yeah. Yeah, I bought this for $30. I spent more money on the battery than I did on the entire quad. And the speedometer works.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, look.
Oh,
you can't
see
really
it.
see it.
Yeah.
It does work, though. I didn't look down when I was going top speed to see how fast it actually goes.
It wasn't that fast, but... Oh, yeah.
Look, they're working, too.
Wow. Oh, it gets brighter when you, like...
Wow. The high beam light also works. This thing is amazing. And the brake works good too. Oh, it's great. Let me do a few wheelies.
Whoa.
Oh, this thing is so fun. Oh, what a great purchase. I'm so glad I bought this thing. Steal of the century. Little test. We just shut it off. It's hot. Oh. Amazing.
Amazing.
Absolutely amazing. And the key works too. Everything works.
Very nice.
There isn't a single thing that doesn't work on this thing. That is truly amazing. We could make that a little louder. Probably better just to leave it quiet. I don't think it would really improve anything.
I think this is the best part.
Yeah, I was gonna take this stupid thing off, this whole thing, because I just think it looks really dumb.
No, I think it's perfect.
I can't take it off since it works. Like, I was fully not expecting it to work. And somehow,
It looks
some
heavy.
way, everything works. Literally everything works. That's amazing. So, this is our wrench and rip $70 quad now. It's completed pretty much. We're not going to really do anything else to it. Maybe we'll get some sumps for it eventually.
It doesn't need it,
But
though.
yeah,
These are pretty.
now
they're pretty good.
we'll wear these puppies out first, but that's pretty much it for this project, I guess. I'm sure we'll have plenty of fun on this thing that we'll film and we'll show you guys later, but I think it's a one video series for this thing. We pretty much bought it, tightened up a bunch of stuff, cleaned the carb, got a new battery for it, and she runs like a top. So till next time, guys, keep wrenching, keep ripping. We'll see you guys next time.
Quick update. It stopped working. 2 seconds after we filmed the outro. Never mind. Nope. Never mind again. It's fine now.
Just when you thought I broke it, just pass something through the carb, so we're all good to go.
Keep wrenching. Keep wrenching and keep ripping.
See you guys next time.